Disney Frozen Fear, Little Brothers. Read aloud by Aditri Saraswat. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm so excited to see the little snowman, Olaf exclaimed. I can't wait to welcome them to the family. He made his way up the stairs to the ice place, high on the North Mountain. First, I'm going to hug Little Sludge, and then Little Slush, and Little Slide, and Little... Olaf threw open the doors to the place. Dozens of snowgies scampered around the huge icy room. Hi, little guys, Olaf shouted. Wow, you're really having fun up here. But the snowgies didn't stop to greet Olaf. Hey, Marshmallow, isn't it exciting that we have little brothers? Olaf called out to the giant snowman. Marshmallow sighed. He looked tired. Olaf turned toward one of the snowgies who was running by. Nice warm hug for you, little oof. The snowman careened off. Olaf and landed on Marshmallow. Aw, look at these little guys. They're so cute, Olaf said. Am I right? Marshmallow lifted a snowgie off his shoulder and sighed again. Marshmallow, Olaf said. I know you love playing with our little brothers, but would it be okay if I took a turn? Come on, guys. Let's play, Olaf continued. As he tried to gather some of the snowgies into a group, he slipped and landed on his back. Whoa, the floor's all slippery. Slippery? Hey, that means we can skate. I just love skating. Olaf got to his feet and twirled around. Follow me, little brothers. Marshmallow shook his head and went outside. Huh? Olaf said, I guess Marshmallow doesn't feel like playing right now. How about we give warm hugs? Olaf asked. He tried to hug each snowgie, but not one of them stopped to return Olaf's hug. They all scampered away. Oh, Olaf said, so you want to keep playing. That's fine. Just stay inside so nobody gets lost. Unfortunately, the snowgies were already heading out the door. Well, outside is good too, and Marshmallow is out there. Maybe he wants to play now, Olaf said, following the snowgies. Marshmallow seemed to be playing a new game that Olaf had never seen, which included sticking icicles into the ground. He used the icicles to form a playpen around the snowgies to keep them contained. Olaf wanted his little brothers to use the icicles to slide down the mountain with him. Instead, they were forming a line going up the stairs, and Marshmallow was at the head of the line. Hey, what's everybody doing? Olaf asked. He had never seen the snowgies looking quite so orderly and behaved. Marshmallow lifted the first little snowman onto the top of the Banister. Then he gave the snowgie a firm push. The snowgie slid down, down the banister. Swoosh! Hey, that looks fun, Olaf said. One by one and then two by two, the snowgies took their banister rides. This is a great idea, Marshmallow, Olaf said. No matter how quickly Marshmallow sent the snowgies down, the line was not getting any shorter. The snowgies raced back up the stairs because they wanted to slide down the banister again and again. The sliding down continued until the dark. When the snowgies finally seemed tired out, they shuffled back inside the ice plaza, where they piled up on top of each other. Before long, almost every snowman was snoring, even Marshmallow. Olaf was the only one still awake. He looked at the snoozing snowman and smiled. My little brothers are the best brothers ever. The end. Hope you enjoyed this story. Bye. See you next time with another story.